These days, the heat of tension can be felt in the skies of the subcontinent, and the clouds of war are looming. A question echoes in everyone's mind. If a clash happens in the skies, who will prevail, Pakistan or India? Now is the time to find out the truth, because both countries have deployed their latest fighter jets, stunning the world with their power and speed. So let's find out who will rule the battlefield, Pakistan's new pride or India's latest claim. The Indian Air Force has recently acquired the Rafale fighter jets from France. Rafale is a multi-role fighter aircraft manufactured by Dassault Aviation, equipped with the latest technologies and weapon systems. This jet has a speed of approximately Mach 2.0, meaning it can fly twice the speed of sound. Rafale has a range of about 3,700 kilometers and can operate over long distances with a single refueling. It is equipped with Meteor missiles, capable of targeting enemy aircraft from up to 200 kilometers away. Rafale is outfitted with an advanced ESA radar system, avionics, and electronic warfare systems that enable it to carry out operations while remaining hidden from enemy eyes. Its maximum operational ceiling is around 50,000 feet, and it can climb to high altitudes in a very short time. Powered by two engines, it offers incredible thrust. Rafale can carry various types of bombs, missiles, and cruise missiles for multi-role operations. Now let's talk about Pakistan's latest fighter jet. Pakistan has recently inducted the JF-17 Thunder Block 3 into its Air Force, developed jointly by China and Pakistan. The Block 3 version has been fully upgraded with new technology, featuring AESA radar, new avionics, head-up displays, and advanced weapon systems. The JF-17 Block 3 has a speed of approximately Mach 1.6 and a range of about 2,000 kilometers. However, thanks to air-to-air refueling capability, it can extend its operational range further. This jet is equipped with PL-15B VR missiles, with a range of over 200 kilometers, providing a strong challenge to the Rafale's Meteor missiles. The JF-17 Block 3 features an advanced aeronautics system that assists pilots in evading enemy attacks. Its maximum operational ceiling is also around 50,000 feet. It also includes a new helmet-mounted display system, allowing the pilot to target enemies quickly and efficiently without delay. When comparing both jets, Rafale is technically more expensive and loaded with heavier weaponry. Its aeronautics and electronic warfare systems are more advanced. Having two engines gives Rafale greater thrust and a more flexible mission profile. On the other hand, the JF-17 Block 3 is lighter, more economical, and offers quicker response capabilities. Pakistan has incorporated many technologies into the Block 3 that meet modern-day combat needs, such as stealth features, high-tech radar, and excellent weapon integration. One of Rafale's major strengths is its Meteor missiles, but the Block 3's PL-15 missiles are equally capable in terms of range and striking power. Rafale is primarily designed for multi-role combat, meaning it can perform air superiority missions, ground strikes, and naval operations effectively. The JF-17 Block 3 is mainly designed for air-to-air superiority and ground strike missions, with exceptional agility for quick repositioning and rapid enemy engagement. Rafale's electronic warfare system is considered one of the best in the world, while the Block 3 is also equipped with advanced jamming systems and radar warning receivers. In terms of speed, Rafale has the advantage, but when it comes to cost effectiveness and operational efficiency, the JF-17 Block 3 stands out. Speaking of overall Air Force strategy, Pakistan has built a strong, cost-effective, and fast response network with its JF-17 Block 3, which is greater in numbers and impressive in performance, while India has aimed for technological superiority by acquiring expensive jets like Rafale. In the end, the ultimate question remains: if the trumpet of war sounds, who will emerge victorious? The answer is not simple because in battle, it is not only technology, but also strategy, skill, and spirit that play decisive roles. Pakistan has equipped its forces with passion and expertise, whereas India has placed its faith in technology. Time will reveal whether modernity triumphs or spirit prevails. If you want to discover more exciting comparisons and complete information about the world's most advanced fighter jets, cars, bikes, and other incredible vehicles, Then subscribe to our channel, Ideal Vehicles Now, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get every new vehicle story before anyone else.